Hi, my name is Lindsay and I'm a physiotherapist and knee replacement coach. I'm offering a 3-part live training series to help change the way that you prepare for your knee replacement. If you've been told by your doctor or surgeon that there's not much you can do while you wait for your knee replacement, I'm here to bust those myths and give you some concrete things you can do to not only feel stronger before your surgery, but also get rid of some of that knee pain and anxiety and fear that you're feeling around your knee replacement. The key thing here is that not doing anything before surgery actually sets you back and makes it harder to recover on the other end. So let's join each other in a live training that will give you the resources, give you the information, and all the ways that you can get prepared for your knee replacement so that you have a successful outcome and you get back to living your life sooner rather than later. So all you need to do is hit the registration button down below, join for free, and I'll see you inside the live trainings starting on August 21st.